Well, after many years of asking, Santa Claus has finally delivered a bonnet lift kit for the Triumph Spitfire. Comprises of two pretty meaty hydraulic struts, some brackets, a couple of some bolts, and thankfully some instructions. So that's today's job. No more twisting of the bonnet as it lifts. Should be good.
Right, we're out here on the Spitfire. Got the instructions and they seem pretty straightforward. So first thing to do is actually attach a ball stud to the right hand bracket. So we'll do that first. Okay, so this is the right hand strut. It says to put a ball on first. With one washer. And one nut. And it goes through. Let's have a look. That way. With a locking washer on. And then the nut. We'll tighten that up. Final little nip. Alright. One bracket prepared. Right, we've attached the ball stud. Now we lift the bonnet, and this is why we're fitting the struts. Because every time I lift the bonnet like that, it does twist a little bit. So two struts, one here, one there. Nice and simple. Keep the bonnet straight. Plus it's a lot easier. And you don't get this falling on your head when that accidentally slides. So yeah, a lot better. Alright, step two. Remove the two bolt-on washers as shown in the illustration. These two here. I'll try and do it without getting in the way of the camera. But it's these two. And they're 11mm. I'm hoping they're a captive nut. Can't feel anything turning underneath, but we'll see. There's a lot of seal over the nuts. Still a bit tight. There's one off. Two off. Nice. Two big washers to go on there. Oh, gets a little bit in the way of this cable, and it does actually mention be careful with this cable. I wonder if I should just reroute that a little bit. That should be okay there. Yeah. So we've moved the wires, and now we need to put these brackets on. Just get them started a little bit. Actually, how long that's all yes. Plenty long enough. We're okay. So start by hand. Right. That way looks safe enough. Nice and straight. Just tighten the top one first. Nice, that's pretty steady. The wire's still okay, it's not caught anywhere. Right, next step. Alright, so now it's time to fit the washers. So a big washer. On that side. And a big washer. And a locking washer and the nut. And we'll just tighten them up. Oh, so far so good. Press the gas spring into the top ball stud. Now these have to go the right way, so it's important to keep this bit lubricated. So if it was like that, then the oil will be down the bottom there. So I guess you fit it like that, but oh yeah, next page. So these, they just push into the ball. So it's just a case of pushing it on, nice and simple, and then the same down the bottom. So it's a little bit out, and what this is, just lift the bonnet a little bit, and then push it on, and that is it. So it's exactly the same. Reverse bracket, we'll put a stud on there after drilling that hole out a bit. Unfortunately, I've got my headlight relay units fitted to where this bracket needs to go, so I'm going to take the relay units off first, put it on, put the relay units back on. I did that for the light switches, one of the many mods I've done on the car. So first of all, take that bracket off. Small motion. So put the relay back on as well. Again, why is it not in there? Nice. There's just too big to one side, so someone's going to say one, and I'm going to do that. Right, that's right. So exactly the same. Put the bottom first. Push. And then the bottom here. And then the bottom just pushes in. Push the bottom a little bit. Nice. So one ball. Just pushes. That's it. And that is the bonnet done now. So both struts are fitted now. We need to take the original stay out the way because it is in the way of this moving down. So back without just a socket. Oh, then guys, I put the right size, so I'm going to use this half inches. Obviously, no weight on this, on my head. That's the first one. Goes that way. Keep them all together. That bolt undone. It just slides off. Right, that's it. Still got those to put back on properly. But for now, let's give that a quick little try. It's touching the hoses over there. Touching this. What's that like then? Yeah, I might have to do something about that. It's just catching this, the air intake hose bracket. It's a bit of a shame. Probably because I've got this extra little shield on that I made. But for now, we'll just have to take this off just to see if everything works. So So now the moment of truth. We took the bracket off that side. Where's the safe? Seems okay. Lifting it back up. Perfect. Not too bad really. 1, 2, 3 bolts either side, stick the struts on, and it's all done. 30 minutes job really, and it's a big improvement I think. Well, I hope you found it useful. You might have a go at yourself now. It is a simple job. If you did find it useful, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. Helps me a great deal. Lets me know I'm doing the right thing. But for now, until the next video, thanks for watching.